Sup, it's your boy Kozak. I'm here with Kamal. Say what's up, Kamal. We're about to beat him in a race to 500 subs.
On which channel?
We're gonna be talking about how to do TikToks or make Instagram reels with your car. We got our cars right here. And I wanna kinda go with how you should select your environment, because if you select a shitty environment, it's not gonna look good. And I feel like that's one of the most important parts. If you get a busy environment with like graffiti in the back and stuff, it kind of takes away from your car. So make sure that your car is the main focus, not the environment. It's cool to have a nice environment, just if it's the main focus, it's not gonna look good. I'm gonna go ahead and strap in POV and show y'all how I record these videos. All right, we're gonna start with our phone. You're gonna look for a good shot. I like holding it upside down. The reason you do this is because the heaviest part of your phone is right here. So you wanna hold it upside down. That way it's more stable. I like using cinematic. You could play with the exposure a bit, which is right here. I like having it a bit darker, but you could also do this. Don't make it too dark because you can do this in the after editing. I do it on 30 FPS. The depth I have on 2.8, I honestly have no idea why I do that. I'm gonna be honest. Somebody recommended it and it's worked. So next, you would obviously find the angle that you want of your car. And my tip is not to do some crazy ass motion, but I like doing a consistent motion and then I slowly move it. Like it's almost like a standstill shot. So basically I slowly glide to the right, and I always glide every video to the right. And I'm going to show you guys how it comes out at the end. And I just try to keep it really simple, so the video focuses on the car and it's not focusing on like your editing style or anything like that. Because if you're doing like crazy edits, that's not going to be with the focus on the car. You could record like shit and you could still make it look good. I personally like to just record simple and put it together, because my focus isn't on making these type of videos. It's more for myself, not for, you know, a viral edit. Because if you're going to do viral edits, you either need a dope looking ass car or a dope looking ass edit. And if you don't have either, there's no value to the viewer and it's not going to do good.
You have either one of those?
Huh? Nah. The only time I'd switch up the movement is like in the beginning, if you want to record yourself like walking to the car, something to grab the viewer's attention. My biggest tip for when you do an angle is if you're getting an angle of your headlight and you're moving slightly to the right of the headlight, to get the opposite side angle, the first angle is the headlight, the second one's gonna be the tail light on the opposite side, and then you're slowly moving to the right. I do my hood, so if I record my hood like this, I would go to my trunk and then do my spoiler like this. Yo, low key though, kind of spitting a little too much game. I'm about to be putting on the whole group. Their videos about to be looking better than mine. Maybe I gotta like lie a little. Yeah, so yeah, you wanna shake as much as possible. The stabilization will make it look cooler. Never record in 4K, record in 720p. Another item I wanna talk about is one of these. So this is a polarizer lens, and I got mine from Newer. So basically what this lens does is it kills the reflections on my car. It's really helpful when you're recording in certain environments. I did use it for most of my videos, and those are probably some of my best videos is when I do use a polarizer lens. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an example using the hood because it has a lot of reflection on it. So I already recorded the headlight once. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with it on a polarizer. Overall, it's really simple to record these. A lot of it comes down to your editing. If you're editing, you're gonna wanna record suited to your vision more of what you're gonna do when you edit. I like to keep it simplistic, and I don't edit with CapCut. I actually edit with VN. And the reason I edit with VN is because CapCut purposely will sabotage your video when you upload it to other platforms. So you end up with a shitty video on every other platform besides TikTok. Now, I use VN, it's like the exact same thing. And it has everything that TikTok has, including extracting audio from videos, which is how I get my music most of the time, is by stealing them from other people. I wouldn't mess with the exposure in between shots too much. I would do that post-editing so all your videos look fluid. If you're in an area that is highly contrasted, like if I was shooting right there where the sun and the shadow mix, and then I'm shooting one side in the sun and the other side in the shadow, the video is going to turn out like dog shit, because the video quality is going to auto adjust the exposure and it's just not going to look good. Bro, this frost sounds like some fucking cartoon walks. We honestly should have parked further away from the garage, because now I can't get as many back shots. Overall, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you record it. It's a quick and simple process. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in what our video is gonna turn out like after I edit it. Anyways, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to sub so I beat him to 500 subs. I'm gonna see you later. Toodles, bye.
Yeah, baby. I want you to be mine again, baby. I $5